Recommendation 2. Recommendation 2 addresses integrating vocabulary instruction as well as other literacy tools into your content area teaching. In this way, your students can build both their speaking and writing abilities as they are learning subject matter. Again, as we saw in Recommendation 1, the level of evidence based on research for Recommendation 2 is strong. The practice guide provides 4 how-to steps to help you carry out this recommendation. How-to Step 1 covers using visual aids such as pictures, graphic organizers, or short video clips to help students make sense of the topic you are teaching. These instructional tools can be used to prepare students for a lesson by providing them with necessary background knowledge, raising issues, and/or conveying themes that will be pursued in the lesson. Exhibit 2.1 describes how a video clip is used to strengthen comprehension in a lesson on Rosa Parks and the Montgomery bus boycott. Graphic organizers are tools that both teachers and students can use to help organize their thinking. These organizers help students study the structure of the text, which in turn increases their comprehension. Some of the most common text structures are sequencing, compare and contrast, and cause and effect. A number of different types of graphic organizers can be used to teach these structures. Exhibit 2.2 is an example of a lesson on the environment's effects on animal behavior. It shows how content is supported through the use of a video clip, followed by a Venn diagram, and then a cause and effect graphic organizer. The importance of vocabulary instruction cannot be overemphasized. As you know, Recommendation 1 was devoted to this topic. Now, in Recommendation 2, How-To Step 2 stresses the importance of teaching vocabulary to English learners during content instruction. General academic vocabulary words such as environment, factor, exhibit, and investigate are used in writing across many academic disciplines. Domain-specific academic vocabulary words are unique to a particular academic discipline. Words like pi and commutative are linked to mathematics. Words like diode and atom are linked to physics. Both general academic words and content-specific vocabulary should be taught explicitly. An example of a domain-specific word in science is photosynthesis. The general academic words that you may need to teach in order to clarify the meaning of photosynthesis might include process or convert. As educators, your judgment is crucial in determining which vocabulary words are conceptually central to the text. It may be that you determine words other than those the publisher has recommended are important for comprehending the text. So, by all means, please include those words in your explicit vocabulary instruction. Exhibit 2.4 is an example of Ms. Prince's thought processes in deciding which words should be explicitly taught within a history text. She considers words that were taught previously, words that can be understood from context clues, and words that she can briefly teach through body language or gestures. By eliminating these words, she can focus on words that need explicit instruction to enhance comprehension. How-To Step 3 addresses the importance of having daily opportunities for your students to talk about content in pairs or small groups using cooperative structures, such as think, pair, share. The panel believes that these short, peer conversations should take place multiple times daily in order to reinforce learning. Keep in mind that success in ensuring that peer conversations are productive hinges on having routines and guidelines firmly in place. Examples of routines include which partner should speak first, how long each partner should speak. A timer can be helpful for this. Which vocabulary words should be included in the conversation, use of sentence starters, and so on. Finally, in How-To Step 4, the panel recommends that you provide daily writing opportunities to further extend student learning and understanding of content material. One example of this for the concept of photosynthesis might be to write a lab report on an experiment that was conducted in class. By the way, the topic of writing will also be covered in Recommendation 3. After listening to this, you may now be wondering about the time involved in teaching literacy while trying to cover content material, or you may feel you don't have the expertise to cover language and literacy instruction if you are a content teacher, or you may feel this type of instruction is not useful for native English speakers. These concerns are understandable and are covered in the roadblocks and solutions portion of the recommendation. Thank you.